kwena nibyewa nigura korekane kitariki kianda cy'umutinyoyo aria ATC Hall gochakera Chinsa Isano ne muchemo gaso red carpet nigera chake Chinsa Isano nemo goika Chinsa kianda nabuigo koena nibyewa gose a wedding gala nigera chake Chinsa kianda goika Chinsa Isatu chiabotuko genderera gwakire kura omoteria omurubrio gose nyumba y'uburaria ilya bwanchete ogoso aroro turi wakanira kindi gyonsi Tomocha Gega Awards 2024 proudly sponsored by Angata Sugar Mills.
Getembe Television Ekeonga.
Mugasomi umwancho murigereria ndonsi asoro kwegena kwane no gendete gutwara uburigererio bya ya Getembe TV na kugenda kwegwakeria emirero video yaito yonsi pigwetera senchembera yo mtandao sensemeri ya Facebook na bogwetera sensemeri ya YouTube chitariki ni Isano ni Isatu mutinye 10 mwaka bw'ikirube na 2024 chinga kichingia kigimane ariganire koretere Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na ibera senchera ayo bonge karansoike ngumanye buna twekira SMS ya mangana mayancha Cynthia Kirubo. Togo takana roboti kurase county ya Nyamira ditukolia lero abwasomo county commissioner bwe county ya Nyamira serete Rasta Simbuyi iganyara ko bagakora omorobere bwo simeke metase wodi ya Gesima eri kuigora bene omorobere bwe kubwatikana amone magani serikali asekero mochivu abwene tugosimeka emetekera ditukolia ijume ntangani ya kero motini. Nakura sensemenderi tuko ria igora samagacho ye bunge nene ononigo ababunge banyorete chinga kichabe na segi karokia mugaso eliko mochengera omosubati Hulda Amumanyi oyore omwibora bwense ya Kenya kura sorogongo rwagusi ase abeto mokenya motangani kigima ochorwa sense ya USA asobo chorwa korekanitiri tukoria Jumanne ase ababunge banyatako babako motogia ase kwirurukia bendera yense ya Kenya nabwo komoganiria amaya.
That tall, slender lady, very beautiful, approached me again and told me, "You remember me?" I told her I couldn't. I mean, I can't remember you. Then she told me, "If you don't mind, we perhaps could have some, omogusi delicacy today at the Swahili restaurant in Washington, D.C." She treated us alongside Honorable Pio and I, who was then the minority leader, for dinner, and now CS, Honorable Speaker. Over dinner, and it's at that point, Honorable Speaker, that she told us that she's going for that seat. In fact, if Honorable Pio was to be here today, he would have told you that nobody saw it coming, because the way she expressed her interest and with simplicity, you wouldn't imagine that at the end of the day she will garner 65% to become victorious in that particular place. Honorable Speaker, that shows that no person is limited.
Because every person in the world knows that Republicans are better for the economy of the world, are better for the global south, and we look for very good opportunity to congratulate him, and to congratulate him most sincerely, because this clearly shows that women have space in leadership, and this clearly shows that the Kenyan labor market is workable outside this country. I want to take this opportunity to congratulate her and tell the women of this country that you have a space in leadership.
This on my own behalf and on behalf of the MP for Kitutu Masaba, Clive Gisairo, and the entire Omogusi Nation, and wish her every success in the Minnesota House of Representatives. May her leadership continue to inspire future generations of African women and girls to pursue their goals with confidence and purpose. An Honorable Speaker, today when I was speaking to the Honorable Lady, she did express a message of cooperation to each and every Kenyan leader within these borders and beyond, and she promises to work with each one of us and invites all of you to Minnesota. Honorable Speaker, I thank you, and I wish to ask for your indulgence to allow some of the members to also express their appreciations, because you can see the kind of joy that is here, that Minnesota is also part of us.
It is because of the hard work of Hulda, because of high resilience and the love that she had for his people. That's why she has been elected. We wish her the best. We wish her success as she moves along, and we know from her we have the future president.
The husband, but Momanyi is Kisii. Then she reminds us of the likes of Maraga, former Chief Justice, Senior Chief, the late Simeon Nyachai. Those are Kisiis. We are just proud. Kenyans, nothing is out of order when you...
Nakorwa sense mendo mokonyi bomora ibwense Professor Kithure Kindiki asinkwa na yeri tukuligoro nigo bono nyatakwaga kwenekia buna serikali yabikire meroberi isaini rugochigokinya sector yobochenu na biga sector yeti seminaiga ngara chigokorekana ase gosegwe kuikirana wetera okubwatirana kwa bakenya bonsi nabo igo amone serikali nakorwa sense mende nigo atebina serikali kubwatana amona bwatani wetera umuroberi o public private partnership eri gokinya magenderero na gokonya kuimukigore birengo byobogima abwa bakenya.
Through intelligence-led operations, superior firepower, and efficient operational and tactical outputs that resulted in the neutralization of dangerous bandit commanders and their spiritual influencers. 19 months after President Ruto ordered the most consequential security operation against banditry ever to take place in northern Kenya, the infrastructure that had sustained banditry for over 4 decades has been suppressed and dismantled. Bandit gangs and their enablers have been overpowered and scattered, despite occasional feeble attempts to resuscitate this dangerous crime against the people of Kenya. Scores of schools in Baringo, Samburu, Ekeonga, Turkana, West Pokot, and Laikipia counties have been reopened. Mokogodo Forest, Sieku Valley, Burat Hills, Korkor, and Arabal Hills, Tandale Valley, Gelecha Valley, Malaso Escarpment, Kurkum, Pura, and other previous bandit hideouts profoundly represented by the under the tree conversations I had with elders and residents at the foot of Arabal Hills in Baringo, the Kolowa Bridge at the intersection of Baringo for internal security, with a mandate to ensure full realization and implementation of the groundbreaking proposals for reforming our police, prisons, and youth services to align them with the dictates of our progressive 2010 Constitution and the vision of underwriting the national ideal of securing Kenya from long-term internal and external security threats.
Naso koleria babwatani bekemerie yechae nigo banya ko babakomera na sensemo ya keroka rikwanira mangana mangia yaringite omoremi bwe kemerie kigechae nabigo enchira bosemero bole bekire riko chikokinia sector yo ose sector yechae.
David Rono, Chairman West of Rift Smallholder Tea Factories Association. We met today in Keroka. Directors from 19 companies. Those are factories from the entire western block of KTDA. We met for one particular business. We were launching our association, which was officially registered on 30th August this year. So we met here today, all the directors from those factories, and we officially launched our association. Our association will address issues affecting the tea sector in the western part of the country, the west of Rift, that is KTDA factories, all. This is a voice for all the KTDA factories to the western Rift. That is basically what we intend to do as an association. So we'll be championing marketing of tea for our block member factories. We'll be dealing with matters quality. We'll be dealing with any other matter that is beneficial to the smallholder tea farmer in the western block of KTDA. We'll be advocating for their welfare and better prices at the auction. Isolating ourselves from the eastern part, we have unique challenges which are unique to the western bloc. Those are the challenges we'll address. Otherwise, we remain.
Wikirabno tu wikiro mwere Ekeonga Chinsa Isano ni Ibere senchira yo bwengenche Cynthia Kirugo twari maragwa bengi.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Twatire kuma maine twatire kuma